This is the easiest side dish that you'll ever make. While my water for the pasta is boiling, or prepares to boil, I'm going to wash up a bunch of cherry tomatoes. I just got a little box of them at the grocery store. I'm gonna give them a rinse. And then we're going to cut these up into halves. So we're just going to have these like this and throw them in a bowl. This is a great dish to make ahead because you can stick it in the refrigerator overnight, and the Italian dressing and all the tomato juices will infuse into your pasta, and it's gonna make it really delicious. The pasta that we're going to use are these garden rotinis. As soon as our water boils, we're going to salt it, and then we're going to throw in our pasta into there. But right now we're just cutting up these tomatoes into halves. Okay, so our water is boiling, so we're just going to dump the whole box of rotini into our pot. Give it a little stir, cover it, and wait for it to come to al dente. The next thing that we're going to do is get a small can of black olives. I don't like olives that much, so I'm just using one can of them, but you can use 2 cans if you like olives. So I'm just gonna open these babies up. Oopsie. And I do rinse or drain them. I drain them out and throw them into the bowl with our tomatoes. Okay, so these noodles took about 10 minutes literally to come to al dente. Not only is this dish easy, but it's quick. So now we're just going to drain the noodles. Okay, I poured some cold water over my noodles to cool them down a little bit, and they're all gonna come into this bowl with the tomatoes and the olives. And then we're going to use Italian dressing. And yes, you can make homemade Italian dressing, but I didn't have time this time. So I just bought one at the store. And this entire bottle goes into your bowl with the rest of the ingredients. Give it a nice good stir. And voila, all done. Pasta salad is finished. This will thicken up as it sits in the fridge. I'm just going to cover it up and let it sit in the fridge overnight, and then it'll be ready for our cookout tomorrow.